Students, I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to learn the chapter Rustam and Sohrab. So, let me give you the introduction of the chapter. Rustam and Sohrab is a tragic story about a father Rustam who unknowingly killed his own son Sohrab in a battle. Rustam the father had a child from his wife Tanmay many years earlier, but he never knew the identity or even the gender of the child. During a battle, Rustam fights a man and kills him. Let me now summarize the chapter. Rustam and Saurabh is a tragic story from Persia, now called as Iran. Rustam was a brave and fearless soldier. He has often saved his country from foreigner invasions, so he was called the Shield of Persia. Kekus, the king of Persia, had a lot of faith on Rustam. He used to say that Persia is safe as long as Rustam lead our soldier. Once in the course of his travel, Rustam met a Tartar princess Tanmay. They fell in love with each other and married, but Rustam was not able to live with his wife for a long time. As the king of Persia called him back, he didn't feel safe unless Rustam was in his kingdom to protect and defend it. At the time of parting, he gave his wife a precious stone and told her when she would become a mother, she should tie that stone on the child's arm and told her to keep their marriage as a secret. In due course, Tanmay gave birth to a son. She knew that when the boy grew up, Rustam would be eager to have him follow in his footsteps. In this way, she would lose her son as she lost her husband. So, she sent word to Rustam that their child was a daughter. Tanmay named her son Sohrab. Sohrab grew into a brave and handsome boy. He learned to use the sword and shield and became skilled in the art of war. One day, Saurabh learned the secret of his father's name that had been hidden from him by his mother for some reason. Saurabh told his mother that he would go in search of his father at once. His mother begged him not to go, but finding him determined to go, she told him to show his father the precious stone that he had worn on his arm because that stone was given to her by Rustam. By doing that his father would easily recognize him. Sohrab collected an army and marched to Persia. His purpose was not only to find his father, but also to make him the king of Persia. When Sohrab crossed into Persia, Keku sent his army to fight with invaders, but one after another, king's generals were killed. So the king called Rustam, who was his only hope. But Rustam refused to fight with Sohrab as he was too old to fight a young brave man, and he had an aged father to look after. But the king told him that he had to fight with Sohrab in order to protect Persia. To which Sohrab replied that he would then go as a plain soldier, wearing plain armor, so that nobody would know that old Rustam had to fight with a beardless boy Sohrab. Rustam rode to the battlefield and stood in front of the enemy soldier and called out to Sohrab. Sohrab came out to meet Rustam. When Sohrab heard the mighty voice of Rustam, he thought that it was perhaps his father. He approached Rustam and said to him, "Are you Rustam?" Rustam thought that the young man was trying to be clever. He told the truth Saurabh might want to make peace with him and withdraw from the fight. So he told him that it was none of his business. Then they started fighting with each other. They fought for 3 days. Rustam thought that he might lose and it would be terrible disgrace for him. So he shouted his usual war cry. Saurabh was unnerved and he dropped his shield. Rustam's sword pierced his side and he sank to the ground. Saurabh told him that his mighty father Rustam would avenge him his death. On hearing that, Rustam told him that he never had a son. Then he saw a precious stone tied around his arm. He fell on his knees and bent on Saurabh's body. He broke down and could not speak anything. Saurabh looked at his father's face and told him to take him home and bury there so that people would pass by would say that Saurabh, the mighty Rustam's son, lay there, whom his father in ignorance had killed. So, students, it's all about the story Rustam and Saurabh. Thank you.